isn't she making that sound anymore?
That's weird. I think she's... I don't know. Sometimes I've seen cats do it before, but not like that. She's really excited. She wants that bird.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
What?
What is she doing?
Chirping.
What is it? Just chirping. Lulu. Whoop. There it is. Oh yeah.
Mhm. I need to sniff my butt.